Dialogue 1. Customer service call.
Hello, this is tech support.
Hi, I have a problem.
What is the issue, sir?
My laptop won't turn on.
Did you charge the battery?
Yes, I did. Nothing happens.
Do you see any lights or hear any sounds?
No, it's completely dead.
Okay, please try this.
What should I do?
Hold the power button for 10 seconds.
Okay, I'm doing that.
Then release it and press it again.
All right, I did that.
Do you see anything on the screen?
Yes, it's booting up.
Great, your laptop is working.
Thank you so much for your help.
Dialogue 2. At the grocery store.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm looking for some apples.
We have different kinds of apples.
Which ones are the best?
Well, that depends on your taste.
I like sweet and crunchy apples.
Then you should try the Honeycrisp.
Where can I find them?
They are in the second aisle.
How much are they per pound?
They are $2.99 per pound.
That's a bit expensive.
They are worth the price.
Okay, I'll take some. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
In a library.
Excuse me, are you a librarian?
Yes, I am. How can I help?
I need a book on astronomy.
Do you have a specific title?
No, I don't. Just something interesting.
Well, we have many books on astronomy.
Can you show me where they are?
Sure, follow me. They are this way.
Thank you. You are very kind.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
Wow, this is a big section.
Yes, it is. We have books on planets, stars, galaxies, and more.
Do you have any recommendations?
Well, I like this one. It's called The Universe in a Nutshell by Stephen Hawking.
Oh, I've heard of him. He's famous.
Yes, he is. He was a brilliant physicist and cosmologist.
Dialogue 4. Airport assistance.
Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Gate 12 is on the left.
How far is it from here?
About 5 minutes by walk.
Do I need to check in again?
No, you have your boarding pass.
What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 10:15 a.m.
And what time is departure?
Departure is at 10:45 a.m.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
One more question, please.
Sure, what is it?
Where can I find a restroom?
There is one near gate 10.
Is it on the left too?
Yes, it is on the left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Dialogue 5. Job interview.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Any questions?
Yes, what are the next steps?
We will contact you soon.
How soon is that?
Within 2 weeks.
Okay, and how will you contact me?
By email or phone.
Which one do you prefer?
Either one is fine.
Can I follow up with you?
Sure, you can email me.
What is your email address?
It's on my business card.
Oh, right. Thank you.
No problem. Good luck.
Dialogue 6. Tech support online chat.
Hello, Welcome to tech support.
Hi, I have an issue.
What is the problem?
My laptop won't turn on.
Have you tried charging it?
Yes, but it still doesn't work.
Do you see any lights or hear any sounds?
No, nothing at all.
It sounds like a hardware issue.
Is there anything I can do?
You can try resetting the battery.
How do I do that?
You need to remove the back cover and unplug the battery connector.
Okay, I'll try that.
Let me know if it works.
Thank you for your help.
Dialogue 7. In a hotel.
Welcome to Hotel Sunshine.
Hello, I'm guest John.
How can I help you?
I need an extra pillow.
Of course, I'll get you one.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
What room are you staying in?
Room 305, on the third floor.
Okay, I'll send someone up.
How long will it take?
Not more than 10 minutes.
All right, that sounds good.
Is there anything else you need?
No, that's all for now.
Thank you for choosing Hotel Sunshine.
You're welcome, have a nice day.
Dialogue 8. In a bank.
Hello, welcome to ABC Bank.
Hi, I need some help here.
Sure, what can I do?
I want to transfer some money.
Okay, to whom and how much?
To my sister, $500.
Do you have your sister's account?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done. Is the transaction complete?
Almost. Please wait a moment.
All right. How long will it take?
Not long. Just a few seconds.
Okay. I hope it's fast.
Done. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.